You want to put it on? Too much Velcro, it all sticks to itself. There we go. Okay.
See how tough that is?
Yeah.
I got something for you here. So I got you a couple patches here.
Okay.
And then this is a challenge coin, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming in today.
Helps us for a lot of things. Our SWAT team, we use it for search and rescue, documenting crime scenes.
Wow. All right, let's go up on Greek Row, see what the college kids are doing. So for about 4 years, I was the college hill officer.
Okay.
And I would work with the college kids and make sure they were staying out of trouble at night, trying to help them make better choices. One of the best jobs I've ever had.
Wow.
We leave him back there?
Nah, you don't need him back there. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, you
Good
too.
luck with graduation.
Thank you.
If you ever want to come by and say hi?
Yeah, okay.
Come back up.